Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One Two Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can use Fiverr. So guys, Fiverr is an Israeli multinational online marketplace for freelance services. So guys, you can sell whatever that you want in the app. You can sell your music or you can sell your art, and you can gain a quick amount of followers and customers if you're really consistent with it and you're working really hard and being a very good seller. And Fiverr is not only for sellers, it is actually where you can buy other people's gigs too. So if you are a buyer in tasteful arts or music beats, then Fiverr is for you. So guys, first of all, we need to go ahead and download Fiverr. So you can either download Fiverr in Play Store or App Store if you have an iOS device. You can find them right here, App Store and Google Play. But guys, I'll be going to the website since I'm in PC, and this is the website that I should be going to. It says right here, Fiverr Freelance Services Marketplace. This is a very good website. If you have great products and gigs, then Fiverr helps you be recognized by millions of people, because Fiverr is used globally. Millions of people are working or buying or freelancing on Fiverr. So just go ahead and tap on this website. And once you tap over here, as you can see, I have already logged in. But if this is your first time and you want to create a new account, then I will help you with that. So guys, once you tap on it, first of all, you would be in this website and you would be shown this page. So it says right here, sign into your account. Don't have an account, join here. So if you don't have an account, just tap right here and you'll see this option that says create a new account. You can either continue with Google. Once you tap there, you'll see many of your Gmails over here. You can choose any of them. Note that if you already have an account with a certain Gmail, please do not use that, otherwise you would just be logging into that same account if you're trying to create a new account. So guys, choose a different Gmail, a new one, or you can go ahead and tap on continue with email, and you can just type in your email and type in a password, a really strong one. Then guys, there's also the option of Apple and Facebook. If you are an iOS user, you must have an Apple ID. So you can just go ahead and type in your email or your phone number and just use Apple ID to sign into Fiverr. You can also choose to use Facebook. When you tap on Facebook, you'll see this page. If you are opening this Fiverr website in your own profile, Google profile, then it'll automatically show you your own Facebook page. And you would not be asked to log in your phone number and your password. You can just tap on continue as and you'll be logging in. But if you're using an incognito mode, then you would have to type in your email or your phone number and your password by yourself. So guys, that's how you create an account. So if I were to create a new account with Google, I would just tap in here and I would choose a Gmail, an unused Gmail. And now I'm shown this website that says sign into Fiverr, and it also says right here that by continuing, Google will share your name, email address, language preference, and profile picture with Fiverr. Now just go ahead and tap on continue. You need to create a username for yourself. So please choose a unique username, because there are millions of people here and we might type the same username as them. So just tap on create my account, and now you'll be shown this page that says your account has been created. What brings you to Fiverr? So guys, if you're a buyer, tap on buyer, and if you're selling, then tap on selling. I'm going to choose both of them because I buy and sell too. And now you'll be showing this option that says what do you plan to buy services for. So guys, you can choose whatever that you want and why you're using the services for. I'm going to choose personal use. Now it says that what are you looking for today. So guys, if you're looking to start a project, you can just choose this or a specific service, and you can also choose this. I'm going to be choosing just exploring because I'm just going to be browsing. No, finish. No, guys, just tap on start exploring, and now you're shown to your dashboard. So guys, after you created an account, this will be shown to you. You can find many gigs over here. You can see there's digital art, illustration, and there's interior designs, there's children book illustrations, brand style guide, album cover design. If you are an artist and you're searching for a perfect album cover, you can also find it here. And guys, if you finally find an illustration or a certain gig that you really like and you want to buy it, then guys, just go ahead and tap on the gig that you really like. I'm going to be choosing this one. It says right here that it was made by a comic artist and illustrator. See this? You can choose to tap on see gig right here, and now you will be shown this page. So guys, if you really like it and you wish to buy it, you can just tap on continue right here, and now you will be shown these order options. It says that basic inked and screen tone page. I will draw a comic page with style you want. This is the description given us by the seller, and you can also choose to increase the quantity. If you really like it and you wish to buy 5 of them, you can also do that, and your cost will also increase with it. It says right here this is a single order, so if you choose to buy 6 gigs, then you will be delivered 6 gigs all at once. And after you tap right here, you will be given more details. It says the package is a printable resolution file. You can add it as a background scene, or it is also useful for commercial, test 5 panels. And it says right here it's a 5-day delivery order, and you can also revise it. So guys, after you've confirmed your order with yourself, just go ahead and tap on continue right here. And now you have your billing information here. So guys, you can also add your billing information details. So once you tap there, type in your full name, your company's name, your country name, the state or region you're in, your address, the city you're in, postal code, and tax ID. And once you save it, this billing information will be in all of the gigs that you find. And now you'll see payment options. So guys, you can either choose to add credit and debit card payment method, or you can also choose PayPal. As you can see, PayPal is much faster, it seems, and debit and credit cards are also here. You can just type in your card number, the expiration date, your security code, and the card holder's name. And guys, do not forget to write it as it is on your card. If you have a small typo, then it would be completely invalid. And you can also choose to save this card for future payments. If you don't want the fuss of writing your card number and your expiration date, security code, and your card holder's name again and again, you can just tick this, and there you go. And once you've confirmed it, you can just tap on confirm and pay, and then you would have successfully ordered a gig for yourself. There you go guys, and that's how you buy gigs as a buyer in Fiverr. But if you want to become a seller over here, then you can just go ahead and tap on this profile picture right here, and now you can see this 4th option that says become a seller. So guys, just go ahead and tap on become a seller, tap on continue. And now guys, just go ahead and fill in your personal information. Type in your full name. I'm going to type, and now you should add a profile picture so that your buyers know exactly who you are. Now go ahead and type in a description. It should be minimum 150 characters. You need to write about yourself, your work experience, the cool projects you've completed, and your area of expertise. Also choose the language that you speak. You speak more than one language, that can also be good, but right now you can only choose one language. And now you're here, professional information. Just go ahead and select your occupation and what do you do. I'm going to be choosing music and audio, and I have to choose 2 to 5 of my best skills. So I'm going to be choosing audio editing, beat making, songwriters, vocal tuning, synth preset, and sound design. Oh, it seems like I can only choose 5 of them. And now move on to skills. Just go ahead and type your skills. I'm going to tap voice salary, the country of your education. Just go ahead and type in your university, and now type in what major did you study in your university and what did you do. Going to choose BA, and what year did you graduate. If you won any certificates or awards, it's a very good look on you if you type them as well. And you also need to write where were you certified from and what year. Please do not write fake informations, because if later on you are verified and the Fiverr administration checks on you and turns out it's a lie, then you might be banned from the app altogether. Please be careful. And if you have a certain professional website that you have for yourself, you can also provide a link to that. And guys, once you tap on continue, you have successfully become a seller on Fiverr. And now you can just choose create a gig. So guys, once you have edited your seller's profile, now Fiverr will ask you to create your first gig. So guys, now you have to offer a service to your buyers. So you just need to add your gig title. If you're an artist, then you could create a gig about your art. Guys, there are many options in Fiverr. You can choose to change the language, you can choose to change your currency, you can see your billing history right here. If you have any invoices, you can see your billing information, your available balances. This is a new account, so don't have any balances right here, and you have to delete your account immediately. Then just go ahead and tap on this profile right here, and now tap on settings. Scroll down till you find account deactivation, and I'm leaving because now just go ahead and choose a reason why you're leaving Fiverr, and you can also choose to tell them more and be more descriptive, or this is an optional option, so if you don't want to write anything, you can also do that. Now just go ahead and tap on deactivate account. You can see this that says your Fiverr account is closed. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. This is how you can use Fiverr. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.